How to adjust or turn off music volume in Fortnite. So first, you just simply need to click on your profile here at the top right, then go to settings. Once you're there, click on the audio icon right here, and when you scroll down, you will see, or when you go to like the bottom of main right here, you will see the music option. So mine is currently set to 0, so for you it might be set to 100. So you simply need to click and drag it right down right there if you want to turn it off, or if you want to adjust it, you simply need to adjust it to your preference. But for me, I'm gonna turn it off. Then just simply click on apply. Now once that's done, go back here on the main menu and go click on locker here at the top. Once you're there, just simply hover to this side right here and go to lobby. Once you're on lobby, click on the lobby music right here and turn this off by clicking on the X button to set it to empty. But if you want the lobby music, you could just simply pick a music back. But for me, I want to set it off. Now go back on your play, and that's basically it.